your sneeze got deeper. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Mom, what are you doing? Listen, when you couldn't make it through the door, I thought it was up to me. Just stay under here and don't make a sound.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Well, we're almost through with the week, Vanessa, but lots of outdoor activities going on this weekend. Probably lots of grilling, fireworks, so hopefully things will be cooperative.
Oh yeah, Courtney, everyone's excited for the long holiday weekend, and good news in the forecast. It's looking like the chances of rain that we have been watching all week long, I should say. It's looking like the rain is going to be holding off more for Saturday and Sunday. So the holiday itself is looking to be mostly sunny, but it's going to be a warm one with temperatures around 91. Ooh. Excuse me. Sorry, everyone. I tried my best to hold on to that sneeze, but Mother Nature wouldn't let that happen. I am so sorry about that. Bless me.
I just sneezed 4 times. I was waiting to see how many more I sneezed. Okay, that's 5. Does anyone else have that problem where you just keep sneezing nonstop, even if you blow your nose? Man, stuff kills me. It's like it wants to sneeze, but I can't. There must be a lot of dust in here. I already cleaned the room earlier, too. I don't understand. Man. Ugh, it drives me crazy.
Could you please set it up for me?
No problem.
Uh-oh. That's pepper. Bless you.
Oh, thanks. Extremely sensitive to pepper. Runs in the family.
Oh, your sneeze got deeper. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Mom, what are you doing? Listen, when you couldn't make it through the door, I thought it was up to me. Just stay under here and don't make a sound.
Oh, that smells good. I hope they didn't put cream sauce on anything. Dairy tends to give me diarrhea. What are you doing here?
I know this looks bad, but I promise there is a perfectly good reason for me to sneak in here dressed as a room service waiter.
I'm waiting.
Okay, I couldn't give my speech earlier for various reasons, but I feel like if you would listen to my speech, you'd really consider me for Neighborhood Youth Council.
You're a persistent one, aren't you? Fine. Let's hear it.
When I ask myself the question, what makes a great leader, the answer for me is clear. Learning from a great leader. And in my case, that would be my
mother.
Well, this isn't my room. I demand to know what's going on here.
What's going on is your daughter's been trying very hard to impress me all day, and you've been ruining it for her.
Thanks for noticing.
So, what's going to happen now is you're going to leave the room and let your daughter impress me without interruption.
Yes, Councilwoman.
Nia, you may begin.
Thanks. When I ask myself the question, what makes that...
Wait, hold up now. Bruh.
So here we are, just snipping. Don't really know what I'm doing here. Yeah, let's go back to threading. Clean up some more over top. Oh my gosh, the tweezing killed me. One thing about me is I will sneeze. I will sneeze from, here we go again. My poor eyebrow lady. Every single time she plucks a hair out, it's like 10 sneezes come out. And let me tell you, it's painful. It is so beyond painful, I don't know what to do. But beauty's pain, what can I say?
Put my hand.
Sorry. Let's see if I have COVID. I don't think I do, but I don't know how to do this. That's what I need. And no one sees me doing this. Who is ready to rumble? I'm crying. Look, I don't know if I did that to be honest, so critique me. Take for 10 seconds. Well, they'll be with me. Like that. Ew. 1, 2, 3. I'll show you the results. Alright. We are good.
Office etiquette 101. Sneezing in the office. If you're sneezing in the office, try to keep it down. Not everyone needs to hear the big achoo across the room or across the office. Instead, try a simpler approach like achoo. Okay? How about blowing our nose? When we blow our nose, if we're going to do something very simple, no problem. But if we're going to go full blown, maybe we can go outside, go to the bathroom first, and then wash our hands. Okay, most importantly, wash your hands.
Eu tava gripada no vídeo, né? Aí hoje. Respiro não foi. Meu nariz tá escorrendo tanto que tô quase colocando papel. Ai, meu Deus.
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.